Now this makes sense. Now I know why there's always one missing from each of the packs. Yeah, like,
yeah, pretty much.
this one's also missing.
Welcome to another episode of Chicago Takeout. Today, we're going on a scavenger hunt that is perfect to satisfy those summer cravings. We're going to show you 2 great burgers and 5 unique local brews. Let's start in Bedford Park, Illinois at 5 Rabbit Cerveceria, which by the way is the first craft brewery inspired by Latin America. If you want some of their beers, just give them a call and they'll have them ready for you to pick up.
What do you get?
You can't see me smiling, but I got a lime passion fruit beer, a Chingatupelo, which is I think it's a blonde ale, and a chocolate, which is it has like chocolate obviously, and I don't remember what the other ingredient was.
Yeah, me neither. Coffee?
Maybe.
Moving on to our next destination, which is Half Acre, another brewery offering curbside pickup. This one is located on 4257 North Lincoln Avenue. And because we can't drink on an empty stomach, let's stop by Mott Street. That's 1401 North Ashland. They take orders online and you can choose between pickup or delivery. Finally, we got some of our favorite grub at BopNGrill in their Rogers Park location, which has a more extensive menu, and it's closer to home.
Burgers and beer sounds good right about now.
Yeah.
I don't know what you guys think.
Sounds good to me. And we decided to go to 2 breweries here in Chicago to pick up some beer to try with our burgers. And these are our burgers.
My all favorite. We haven't tried this one yet, but everybody talks about it.
Yeah, so this is from Mott Street.
Mott Street.
The restaurant called Mott Street. This is like their signature burger. And we said I'd go with this one because we've never had it.
Yeah, and apparently it's like the thing to have in Chicago. One of the best burgers. So.
Yeah, and this one, like Maria said, is an old favorite. It's from BopNGrill.
And it's a kimchi burger. Actually, both, there's so many great burgers here in Chicago, but we decided to do like ones with an Asian flair. So the Mott burger has double chuck patties, sweet potato chew strings, hoisin aioli, pickled jalapenos, dill pickles, miso butter, and American cheese.
Yeah, sounds like a great combination.
Yeah, right?
We did pull out the jalapenos though.
Yeah, we took out, sorry guys, we can't do jalapenos. Kimchi burger, this one has caramelized kimchi, sunny side egg, American cheese, applewood smoked bacon, togarashi mayo, and I believe that's like I'm not sure if it's Japanese or Korean.
Togarashi?
Togarashi.
That sounds Japanese.
Yeah?
That sounds Japanese.
Okay, yeah. My bad. And it also has raw onions, so.
Cheers!
Mmm.
The kimchi brings a lot of flavor to the burger. It has a really nice crunch to that cabbage. I mean, it's cooked, but still retains some of the crunch.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a really good flavor combination. And it's slightly spicy from the kimchi as well.
But not too much.
No, not too much.
Great. So I opened this one, Chingatupelo. Should I translate that? It's like, F your hair.
F your hair, man.
That's right. I like the slogan, bullies aren't leaders.
Yeah.
I love it. This is from 5 Rabbit Brewery. The one that we went, the first one that we show you.
Yeah, that's down south.
Yes.
So it's a blonde ale.
It's nice and light.
Yeah, it's nice.
But not too light, like it has some body to it.
Yeah, it's a nice color. It doesn't smell hoppy. I'm not into the hoppy beers, guys. I mean, I know a lot of you guys like really hoppy IPAs. I'm not down with that.
Yeah, FYI, we didn't get a single IPA.
And we did not. So.
We got all the ones we actually like.
Before we demolish it. All right.
It's like a
Very spongy.
It's very spongy, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the other one kind of melts with the burger. This one you can still like. I mean, it's soft. It's not like it overpowers like other breads, but it's just you can feel the bread.
You can really taste the miso butter in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it adds a really nice flavor. It's 2 patties, so it's very beefy. But the flavors mix well. Like it's not overly salty. I guess these shoestring potatoes were supposed to be crispy, but since we hit it so late.
Well, we have more that are crispy if you want. It's funny because it smells very Asian. You can smell the miso, But when you try it, it tastes more American. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, because I think it's because of it's a double patted cheeseburger. So you get good miso flavor, but it still tastes very beefy, very American cheeseburger style. So it's very good. Whereas the kimchi burger very much tastes like a fusion between Asian and American. This is another beer from Rabbit Brewery, and this one's kind of like a fruity beer. It's a wheat beer with lime and passion fruit. So it's kind of more of a summery beer.
It's very good. I already have it.
Cheers.
You can smell the passion fruit like right away.
Yeah, that's the first aroma that you get is like the passion fruit. Oh, it's delightful.
All right, so moving on to Half Acre. It's a bit hoppy, but not like over.
Yeah, it's not like a too strong, that hoppy flavor. So it doesn't really have that hoppy aftertaste that a lot of beers have. So that's why I'm enjoying it, and I could probably drink that can. So yeah, so we've never tried their beers. We've tried the other ones from Five Rabbit. I think we had the paletas one. They have one that's supposed to taste like Mexican paletas. I think guayaba or something. It's like guava flavored. It was amazing. Fun fact, Half Acre actually sells burritos. So when we picked up, when we picked up the 4-pack, we picked up some burritos.
And they're quite good.
Which we ate yesterday.
Yeah. Let's try these fries.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the kimchi fries. Those are good.
I haven't had these in forever. So basically, Chicago Takeout is becoming our cheat day.
Yeah. That's right. So from what I remember, they're like slightly spicy. You get a really nice bacon flavor to it. Like it just, and the cheese, it just works so well.
This is from Half Acre, and it has Earl Grey tea, oranges, and saffron.
What? Earl Grey tea?
Yeah. I don't know, it sounds fancy. How do you say that? Thoughts without a thinker. I need more beer to pronounce my things correctly. Thoughts without a thinker, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I don't think too much when I'm drinking, man.
Oh, this is nice.
It's nice. I don't even know what this is.
Yeah, it's Earl Grey, saffron, and oranges.
Alright, we have one more, guys. This is actually a collaboration with Back of the Yard's coffee company. And if you haven't seen that video, we actually went to the Back of the Yard's coffee house.
Click right here.
Or here. I don't know where it goes. But yeah, they have an amazing selection of coffee, and you should go. And they have one that is called Chocolate, and I believe we tried that one too.
Their coffee, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It almost tastes like a fine liquor. Like a chocolate liquor.
Yeah, so it's kind of like, it has a coffee, like a coffee color to it.
It's really delicious.
Yeah, and it does have like that Mexican chocolate kind of smell to it.
Yeah.
So, cheers. Mmm.
This is no comparison.
It does kind of taste like that piloncillo coffee.
Yeah.
And it goes down really smooth. Wow.
This is dangerous. All right, let's talk about our favorite. So what's your favorite burger from BopNGrill or Mott Street?
Favorite burger. They were both very, very good burgers. I think I would pick BopNGrill's burger just because, yeah, the flavor combination is really good. You get good flavor from the kimchi, burgers, like everything there. Whereas for me, the Mott Street burger, you get a really good beef flavor. So it really depends on what you're in the mood for.
I like the Mott.
The Mott Street burger?
Yeah, so good. I mean, I like both. They're both good. I just really like the quality of the, does that make sense? The quality of the ingredients that come through in the burger.
Yeah, yeah.
So what about the beers? Which one's your favorite?
My favorite, so that one's a little bit tougher because I liked, like most of the beers, I liked all of them, right? They were really nice and good. But I think there's a beer for a different occasion. Like for example, this one's good like right after dinner. You just finished dinner, you just want to chill out, drink a little bit.
It's a good dessert beer.
Yeah,
it's like a good Porto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my other, second favorite in this case would be the Five Rabbit Passion Fruit beer. Because it just seems like a beer you would take to the beach and just chill out front, watch the water, and drink that one away.
Yeah, I have a tie. I would say that one and this one. Oh my goodness, this is
Yeah.
so delicious.
This one was good too, yeah.
All right, we're gonna close the video because we want to keep drinking. So on that note, we want to thank BopNGrill, Mott Street, I want to say Cerveceria, I don't know what I'm going to say in Spanish, 5 Rabbit Cerveceria.
Yeah, and Acre Brewery for all the delicious beer and food that we've had today. And guys, what was your favorite beer? Like, do you guys like hoppy beers? Do you like more of the fruity beers? Let us know in the comments down below.
Yeah, and if you have any recommendations of places you want us to go, also let us know in the comments down below so we can check them out.
Yeah, we can check them out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.